welcome to Healthier Home Live. I'm Jen.
And I'm Ken.
Ken, it's been 2 weeks. I've missed you.
I've missed you too. I missed everybody. I've been up to my eyeballs in
Up to
orders.
your eyeballs in what?
In orders. It's been great. It's been great.
Oh my gosh. Somebody's been blowing up your product. Do you want to talk about it?
You know, that video was seen by 33 million people so far.
We should say what we're talking about.
It is the Clean Walls video on TikTok.
It's on the TikTok, and we had a very wonderful influencer happen upon our product and share a video that said she loved it. We should give her handle too. Bess, if you know her handle so we can her up.
Her name is Azure, and her site is Live Composed.
Yes, I think it's Live Composed.
Live Composed. You're right, Live Composed. It's spelled the same.
It's spelled the same either way, so who cares?
Like read and read.
That's right. You can find her on TikTok, and she tries out all kinds of cleaning products and organizational. And she's actually, I think, a home organizer by trade, and she's amazing. So follow her on TikTok. I think that's probably the same handle on other platforms as well.
Right, on Instagram and whatnot else. Yeah, she's a wonderful person. She's got quite a story.
So amazing.
It's a nice alignment. I really enjoy spending time with her. And
that's
been
awesome.
Good.
Well,
so yeah, we've been pumping out the clean walls like crazy, and the bathroom magic and the shower door magic and the pet products, the laundry. That's another one that's just going great. It's it's wonderful. It's been all good.
Amazing. Well, what do you want to enlighten us on today, Ken?
Well, since we were talking about laundry these last couple of weeks, and it's really such a deep subject, and the more people know, the more they want to know. And we're going to talk about vibrancy, color vibrancy, and how to keep whites whiter.
I absolutely love this topic because without bleach, I do not know.
Yeah, and there's a bit of science behind it as to what's what, and there's reasons bleach can be helpful. There's reasons bleach can actually be a detriment. So we'll go through that a little bit in these next few slides. So in keeping with our format, Jen.
Yeah.
I thought we would do a little role playing again.
We get to read a script?
We get to kind of read a script, yeah.
I'm so there.
See, so the clothes are over there in the closet and they look kind of drab. So I'll be the dumb husband who needs enlightening. And I can say, honey, how come my clothes all look gray?
Well, either we have to switch to healthier home laundry packs,
or
you're a dog. LOL. And I'm gonna say, the wifey's got jokes.
The wifey's got jokes. See, now that's kind of everybody believes dogs see black and white, and part of that's true. That's why I played on that little thing. But with the rods and cones, they determine color, and dogs actually have some colors missing from their ability to see. So it's not black and white, but they do have altered vision on their sight. But for our purposes, we're just saying dogs see black and white or
but
gray.
We don't think this is the husband's problem, so we're going to help him.
Right, exactly. So there's our humor. Hope you liked it.
I love it. All right, what do we got next, Beth?
Okay, so whenever we go out shopping, which I have to do myself because it's the time of year. When we first get those clothes, they all look so colorful and crisp and vibrant, and you spend money for those precious little gems to your eyes.
Yeah.
But that's not how they wind up. Even after a short and as little as 3 washings, clothes can lose color and vibrancy. It's that quick. Yep. So we'll get to that next slide here. Why, what's going on here? Why do clothes lose that so quickly? Well, most detergents that are out there, and I'm not going to even mention anything, but if you go to the grocery store and you'll see like a giant jug of something for $6, you can bet they didn't put a whole lot of time or energy and chemistry making sure somebody's getting a quality product. It's usually loaded with caustic, and it's part of it is stripping the color of your clothes just because of the detergent that you use. And then heat as well. So heat and those caustic temperatures are really the culprits behind stripping the color out of your clothes. And they
Are
actually
you
do.
saying caustic temperatures?
No, I'm saying caustic chemistry. We'll just say harsh detergents. We'll just use that term.
Oh, okay. So something caustic. Got it.
Right.
Vocabulary.
And then hot temperatures, those two things. And so those actually they'll damage the fibers
Okay.
of the article of clothing. So just that breaking of the fibers makes them look less vibrant, but also that traps dirt and particles and makes them look gray. That's why whites, even although they're not really, it's not really dirt, they look gray over time because the fiber's been damaged and it's trapping
Ew.
particulate. Yeah, that's what's going on.
Gross.
So there's your little culprit as to what's going on. But what can we do about it, Jen?
I don't know. I bet the next slide's going to enlighten us on some
Yeah,
stuff.
and we are going to talk about that and why this is important, because we talked about this in the previous couple of weeks, why these wonderful little laundry packs do their job. They've got cold wash superiority. And this is just a reminder, we went over the slide a couple weeks ago. This first slide is a national brand washed at 20 degrees Celsius, and that same brand at another test is at 40 degrees, so we're upping the temperature. This last one is Healthier Home Products that outcleans both targets at cold temperatures and shorter wash cycles. That's really remarkable.
We are the champions, my friend.
Girl, give it to me. You're the bomb singing. You know that?
You are.
You got those great vocal cords.
Aw, thanks, Ken.
The Lord touched you with his hand and said, you will be a singer.
You're the sweetest man.
So, okay, so that's our reminder. Cold wash superiority. We got that going into that. That's baked in the cake. But what does that mean on that next slide?
I don't know. Let's see.
We're going to talk color vibrancy. This I just want to point this out here. This is two samples, cotton and terry. And that first bar on the left, that kind of a grayish taupe color, is clothing at their natural color. And this is after 12 wash cycles. A national brand is in the middle, so they've already lost about 10% of their color over 12 wash cycles, which is significant to the human eye. But you see that third bar, that tan bar, is almost exactly identical to that first bar. There's almost no color loss in clothes, whether they're cotton or knitwear, over 12 wash cycles, which is that's a heck of an achievement, because that's could be like a 6 months or a year's worth of washings on clothes.
Yeah.
So you're not going to lose anything with color vibrancy.
That's amazing.
It is amazing. All right, so next slide there, Miss Bess. I know you're hanging with us. No sleeping on the job. So,
she's wide awake.
We want to point out this little video because this is one of those things where we show in a bathroom, you've got hard water stains on a shower curtain, and in a cold wash cycle, in a quick wash cycle, you'll see a before and after. That's pretty stunning. So with that, let her roll, girlfriend Bess. I just love that because everybody knows what a dirty shower curtain looks like. Even some people have shower doors, but if you got a shower curtain and you got hard water, you're going to have those issues. But it's as easy as that. It's as easy as that.
I just love that, and I love that we got to see lots of the benefits of the packs. But yeah, this whiter whites is like amazing and keep the colors more vibrant. I love that you guys worked so hard to formulate this so perfectly.
It's got a lot of things going for it. So next slide on there. So what we're telling you in short, powerful cleaning, keep your colors vibrant and your whites lighter. You're going to save some do, re, mi, and you're going to look marvelous. You're going
to look marvelous, darling.
Don't make me verklempt.
Yes, it's Linda Richmond here telling you to go out and now there's something you can do.
Now there's something you can do. I love it. So now there's something you can do. Look for those Healthier Home laundry packs, our Clean Ocean formula. Let's keep those oceans clean. 100% plastic-free packaging. HealthierHomeProducts.com. We've got a killer offer for you. Just come visit our site.
I love that. There's the website there. Make sure you check that out. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. And we'll be back next week with Ken talking more cleaning stuff. Bye, Ken.
And more singing from
Jen. There's more. What?
More singing from Jen next week.
Oh, you sweetie. Yes, always the singing.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye, Ken.